Flexbox is short for Flexible Box Layout. It's a powerful CSS layout module designed for distributing space and aligning items within a container. Flex containers can expand items to fill available space or shrink them to prevent overflow, making them ideal for responsive layouts. Flexbox includes a comprehensive set of properties. Some apply to the container, called the Flex container, while others apply to the direct children or the Flex items. Unlike traditional layouts that rely on block, vertical, and inline, horizontal flow, Flexbox follows a flex flow direction that can be either horizontal, row, or vertical column, depending on the flex direction property. The key difference between Grid and Flexbox is that Flexbox lays items out in a single axis, row or column, that can wrap, while Grid handles both axes at once. Use Grid for full page or two-dimensional layout. To use Flexbox, apply Display Flex to a parent element. This defines a Flex container and makes all the direct children into Flex items. The default layout is in row, with items arranged horizontally along the main axis. The main idea behind the Flexbox layout is to give a container the ability to adjust the size and order of its items to best fit the available space, making it ideal for responsive design across different screen sizes and devices. You can change the flex direction to column, and this is a nice way to make your site responsive on smaller screens. Use Flex Wrap to allow items to wrap onto the new line. This is also useful for smaller screens. If the device or screen size is smaller, the item will automatically wrap. Flexbox simplifies alignment on both axes. Justify content aligns items horizontally if they're in a row. Align items aligns items vertically, and align content aligns multiple rows when wrapped. Here we have justify content values: flex start, center, flex end, space between, space around, and space evenly. Here we have alignment examples: flex start, which is the default, flex end, and center. Flex items, or children of a flex container, can grow, shrink, and define their base size using the following: flex grow, to allow an item to grow and fill available space; flex shrink, allowing an item to shrink when necessary; flex basis, setting the initial size of an item; and then flex is a shorthand for both flex grow, flex shrink, and flex basis. So you put 3 values with that one. Align self overrides align items for a single item. Flexbox makes it easy to create layouts that adapt to different screen sizes without meta queries in many cases. This code .item with a flex 200 pixels sets an initial size of 200 pixels, but allows the item to grow and shrink based on the space with the values of 1 in both the flex grow and flex shrink areas. Flexbox makes it easier to build clean, flexible, and accessible interfaces that respond to various screen size and content needs.